welcome back to the Terra Virtual Guide. My name is Liz Rary, and today I'll be showing you how to duplicate lesson plans. Because sometimes you'll be teaching a select set of standards over the course of a couple of days or even some weeks, and instead of having to copy and paste every single line of one of those standards into separate lesson plans, simply copy the entire lesson plan. So let's get started. So what you want to do is click the blue actions drop down next to the class you want to duplicate. So I'm going to duplicate earthquakes and simply click duplicate lesson. And this duplicate lesson modal will pop up. And I'm going to name this lesson name Earthquakes Volume 2. And I'm going to check to make sure it's in the right unit. I see that the standard codes that I've already attached are already in there. I'm going to update the lesson objective if I really need to, or if you want to focus on a more specific part of a standard. And then I'm going to click Next Step, Save, and Add Activities. And it will take you to a completely copied version of the lesson you just duplicated. And if you go back, you can see that it is located also within your unit folder. So here's the original, and then here's Earthquakes Volume 2. And that is copying a lesson.